So in this video, I think it's time we got these covers off and made a move to get the summer started. There's a couple of questions that people have been asking me in the last video that I'm going to get answered today. And I take my life in my own hands trying to get some video of this footage, make it like a drone. So plenty to get on with. It's the first week in April. Let's crack on. So before we start venturing up in the sky to get the covers off, I'll last show you how that went. We did it the other day. A question from the last video was about my Vortex. The question was, I've got the same filter system as you, but I put brushes in my Vortex. Why don't you? So yeah, I used to have brushes in my Vortex because it was something that I tried a couple of seasons back now, and yeah, it works fine, either with or without, to be honest. It's neither here nor there. It all depends on how much you can be bothered to keep changing the brushes in the Vortex when you start getting any blanket weed through, because it does stop any poop whatsoever and reduces the amount of waste that goes into your second bay. It's just that when I took them out, I was dealing with a lot with blanket weed, and I was getting lots and lots of blanket weed stuck in the brushes like these, and decided to take them out because all these were just getting matted in blanket weed. And to be honest, I've not put them back since, and the reason I've not put them back is because I see the Vortex doing what it's designed to do, basically vortexing the water, letting all the poop and all the heavy stuff go to the bottom, and then once a week or so, or at the moment, once every couple of weeks, because there's not that much food going in, so not that much waste, I just turn the tap and my koi pan waste extractor just gets rid of the lot within a couple of seconds, and then I turn it off again. So I haven't got to start getting the brushes out, swishing them around, cleaning them like I did in my last video. There's no real point, so I just do this instead. I've not put these back in. I might put them back in again for the season. It depends on how things go on. So yeah, that was why. Now the other question that I thought it would be quite handy if I answered, in the interest of science, was, what if you put your water tester in my beer? How would it show then? Let's find out. Right, so I've got to be quick because I'm going to drink it all in a minute. So let's see how the tester, the Kactoily drinking water tester, does if you put it in beer. Thank you, Mark. Put this through. So again, I have washed this, by the way. It has been sanitized and whatever before I put it in my beer. So you turn it on, push the M, and in she goes. Oh my god, that's weird. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Oh no, it's telling me it's 33 and poor. Well, that's not very good, is it? Oh well, they always said beer wasn't very good for you. Next. Right, so let's have a quick look at how we got to where we are with the covers now. I decided that the pond was now at 12 degrees. So I just needed to see if the pond will maintain the 12 degrees, because the weather's getting quite good, and I've looked at the long-term forecast, and we're looking at this kind of weather in the UK for a little while now. Fingers crossed. But it's cold at night time. So I want to try to retain as much heat as I can that I've got in the pond, that I've gained, so we start some sort of normality in my koi pond. So I started the other day to take a couple of covers off and leave it for a few days and just see how I get on, and this is how it went. Right, yeah, it's that time again to take the covers off. Now I think if you remember right, in previous videos we did some aerial shots. Can't afford a drone, so we sent him up the ladder as high as we can get him to do it, and he was a little bit afraid up there. So I've got him a harness this time. Hey, hey, hey! Come on, I want you up there again. Yeah, I've got your harness. Here. Stick it on, get up them ladders. Come on, let's see what you look like in it. Put it on now. Right, so we're going to get him into that harness and see how it goes. better be. It better not rain again. It's coming out if it rains again. This looks smart on his safety harness. Oh, it's a bit tight around here. Go on, get yourself up. Just hook up there. Up now. Take your camera with you. To the top. Go on, up you go. Camera. Got it? You better bring me down if it rains again. Hooked on, good. I'm moving the ladder. I can't hear you. Don't try this at home. Right, I'm gonna get a couple of covers off while he tries to film it. Hopefully. What's wrong with the camera? Hang on, hang on. I don't know what happened to the camera then, but yeah, he got down, don't worry, he got down all right. The fire brigade was only here for 4 hours, quoting the Health and Safety Act 1974 at me. I don't know what's going on with that one. But anyways, so yes, so we did a little bit of that. So we've still got one more cover take off, so I'm going to take the cover off today. Now the reason I'm taking them off, like I said earlier, is to check and just have a see what the cold nights are still like and see if the pond is holding its temperature. If I take the last one off and leave it off for a few days and the pond starts dropping off drastically, I'm going to put them back on again. Because I'm a bit early, to be honest. It was sort of, you know, mid-April, like almost beginning of May last year. But I don't know how much this weather's going to be hanging around. You know, fingers crossed it sticks around for a while. So I'm going to get this cover off now and then just see what the underneath of the cover is looking like, because I've not removed this cover for a while now. Let's go and have a look. Right, so yeah, as predicted, I think still messy under here as well. Look at that. I think if I have to use a bit of pond water and a bit of elbow grease, I think. There we go, it looks a bit better, doesn't it? Because my intention is only to clean just this sort of first inch of freeboard, and then obviously these I won't be cleaning under there, because this is all, that's good stuff for pond. Anything, I wouldn't suggest anybody cleans the walls of your pond underwater, because that's your ecosystem, that is. But these bit at the top here, I should get a bucket, because these will clean off quite nicely as well. Yeah, look at that, bucket of pond water. That'll nail that quite nicely, that will. So I hope you've enjoyed this first week in April's video. Don't try these stunts at home. Let the professionals get on with them. Thanks very much for watching. If you've enjoyed the video, please subscribe, share, ding the bell for notifications, click the like, because it makes all the difference to the algorithm stuff.